Okay, yo. Um, this video is gonna be kind of a mix of yesterday, which was the 16th, and today. So basically, I'm kind of changing my approach to these charting journal videos, and I think what I'm gonna do is start recording my sessions live as of when I get up, and then it's better for. I think it's an optimization on the charting session because the charting session is always after I've just done the trade, and it's always going over the trades, which I do think is beneficial. But I think recording the live trade, I can see what's happening in the moment and talk about it. So when I review it, if it's right or wrong, it's recorded. And also recording live is good because that's when I'm going to be doing the executions. That's when it needs to be spot on. What I'll find in the charting sessions in the evening is that I won't journal efficiently, and that is just a lack of discipline, to be fair. But it's mainly already happened in the day, so I'm less, I guess, not interested, but it's less. I don't know. It's less real in a sense because it's obviously after it's happened. So yeah, I'm gonna, I think, change it. I recorded. Excuse me. I recorded everything yesterday, but I haven't quite got around editing the parts I needed for it. So I might do a combined video in this one of explaining this draw on liquidity today, and then plugging in some of yesterday's clips. But yeah, that's gonna be the plan as of tomorrow. I think I should be all ready for tomorrow, just to live record and then pretty much post it. Do I do a charting session in the evening as well? I'm thinking to go over my trades. What I'll do is I'll do AM session recorded, PM session recorded, so those two clips. Then the draw and liquidity in the evening, and maybe going over the habits of that day potentially. So let me just write that down actually. Okay, yeah. So this video is going to be a little bit more scuffed. It's going to be a bit of an all over the place video. But so in terms of today, Tuesday, I think the draw is this high. We've run through this daily fair value gap, giving me an indication that this is the draw, potentially even this is the draw. Also, this small daily has been run through as well. So my draw is higher. We've got this nice 4 hour. I need to see a sweep of liquidity though. Here's my sell side level. If you don't want to see this sweep, there's this 15-minute fair value gap, which we could also bounce off. So two things I'm watching for: really slow price action after this huge leg up last night. So potentially not trading today, just going to observe. Because we're moving very slow right now. Although we are coming, looks like we're coming down back to this 15, so we'll see. The draw's the same on NQ as well. The only difference is we didn't have that daily up here. But yeah, also very bullish. I guess. But no, I think. Yeah, I think this is the plan. Trading wise though, it's been okay. Okay, I'm a little bit ill right now, which is annoying, but it's chill. I made about $100 yesterday, I think. I think I was up 150 and took 2 losses and then stepped away and ended up with, or maybe $90 or $80 or something. So, oh, that's grim. Yeah, getting out that red streak and yeah, starting to build back the conviction, which is nice. But also, you know, I'm up. My size is automatically upped, so you know the winners are gonna massively outweigh the losers when it comes. But I'm gonna be patient. I'm not gonna strive for it. I'm just gonna wait for it to happen. I'm not gonna, I don't need it to happen now. I can. I have time. But yeah, I'm gonna now. That's fucking grim, fuck. I'm now gonna add some clips of some live trades of just my psychology and thinking. I was a little bit skitsy yesterday morning, because we did some stuff on the weekend, so yeah, but I'll plug some clips in. Yeah, what is it, like on a 3 minute? See, I need to see big displacement through this level. I don't want to see us come down really. Otherwise, to me, this is the SMT, and we could continue to go lower. Taking off my buy limit. I still think the draw's higher, but we're currently in SMT. I need NQ to break above this 5 minute. NQ breaks above this 5 minute, then we can look to take some longs up to these highs. Here we go. We'll break above this internal 2 minute, would be nice as well. How long have we got? Oh, we're gonna get a retrace with the 1 minute then. 1 minute, okay, if we can get a break above this as well.
Order filled.
Oh fuck, I didn't mean to do that. Meant to limit buy here. That is, I was gonna put the TP right here because I did not mean to do that. I wanted it off this 1 minute inverse here. Purely because it's so bullish. Breaking above the 5, breaking above the 3, breaking above the 1. Actually, fuck it, I put a drop here. I actually didn't mean to put that trade in. It should really go there. I'd want to take 1 contract off here, 1 here, and maybe 2 here actually. Obviously, we've still got this SMT. Now broken above the 5, I could expect us to come down to this 5, and for this 5 to be an inverse now. But where we are in price, this level should also be pretty reactive, but Aussie. It's also no longer an SMT. So that's good.
Order filled.
There we go, that's why I wanted to be filled initially. So now we'll take two contracts off here.
Order filled.
There we go. And two off here. Big push up. I might take
Order
take
filled.
1 off there and 1 off up here. Because that could be then the manipulation leg. Obviously stop to break even. How much do we make off that? I'm up 150 now, so that's pretty hard. I got in here. My stop also would have been, technically it would have been here. That was the long. Nicely, yes, came up and swiped that level now. Do we now have a bigger time frame S&T? Yes, we do. But SMTs on SMTs on this No News Monday, this is fucking nuts. So now we have the SMT. That now, we might get stopped to break even here.
Order filled.
There we go, stop to break even. Let's see what happens now. Obviously, draw's still high here, but we have got an SMT. Ooh. Okay, we're close below it. Yeah. This is the target I'm going to go for here. I'm not going to leave anything hanging. I don't think there's any more targets. I mean, what's this target here? Potentially that target. That's not fundamentally why I'm taking the trade. Again, if I don't get tagged, I don't get tagged. I've got my... I'm going to full size. I get 2 on the inverse. I'll actually keep it in the 1. Plummeting straight down to the draw. Why as I said, as these get run through, so we're definitely bearish. We just need to look for an entry model. There is one. ES is so close to sweeping it, that is ridiculous. See if there's any last minute entries before we sweep sell side. Nope, and sell side was taken. And now we technically have an SMT. So I'm also, I'll give it a bit of time, but then I'm automatically not looking to trade. And it's also out of my it's out of my times now. It was nearly 4. I stopped trading at 4, so let's see if this has a reaction or not. Potentially could be a SMT to rebalance back to this 5. I need to work out whether I want to re-enter short or not. I think I probably might. Yeah, ES could drop, to be fair. But also could rally. Now it's well better than SMT. I guess we have this 1 minute here. Obviously we have an SMT, so short's automatically less probable. Which is quite, yeah, a reason why you should necessarily trade. There we go, and this SMT looks like it's not gonna hold. Looks like we're gonna go straight to sell side. Yep. SMT not valid. A bigger time frame now. Zooming out to bigger time frame. Yes. Still have an SMT. And Q. And Q hit. We're in the 4 hour. If we break below this, then I guess the draw would be this low. Technically speaking. So half 3 days is really close to outside my trading hours, so might not look for anything more, to be honest. I'm just gonna get giddy. Ooh. Never mind. Alright, holding this 4 hour here. Seem to have swept some sort of sell side level. Let's see what happens if we can get above this 3 minute. Would be 4 hour for value gap. SMT push up, sell side, so this would be that, and then we'll start the market, make it buy more to the upside. It's probably no more trading for me, it's probably done, to be honest. I'm trying to work something out, because this 3 got ran through with the sell side, that doesn't technically mean we're going to run all these fair value gaps. But I can't find one big enough to cover. On NQ I can find this 15, which is nice, which basically if you run this, we're going to go seek this. But like, the relevance of the 3 minute, I don't know, relative to how much we've got of the entire leg. If anything, actually, because we're holding the 3 minute, I should be looking for shorts. So it would be 3 minute, see if there's a... That's not really a favor up I like for this either. Potentially this 1 minute here to get run through. We'll still have this 1 minute down here. Obviously we have this 1 minute here. This is how you use fractal price to make money. 4 hour gap, sell side swept. 15 up here. Once you break through this 15, then we're going up here. Zooming in, we've swept sell side. I don't know if this 3 minute holds that we're going to go straight up here. We have to wait for this 15. But if this 3 minute holds, you could potentially see lower pricing. I zoom in. If this 3 minute holds, then we need to displays through this 1 minute and this 1 minute to then validate that this is the draw on liquidity. So that means we need this to invalidate and this to invalidate. If there's one in between, that's even better. There isn't one in between, so I'm going to look at both. It's more riskier if you only use one. Here, 3 minutes holding, and there's only one for value gap. So once this gets run through, then this is the draw. Again, there was no bigger time frame for value gap. There's all these fives. Either, no matter what, you don't know which one's going to reject or not. You have to wait for the whole thing. But there is no bigger time frame one. So looking at this, I'd say we're bullish as of right now. But up here, we might not be. So you need to find something which is in between. This 1 minute held, okay, that potentially means then that this 3 minute holding might get run through, because if we're holding this 3 minute, then we should also run through this 1 minute, but we haven't done that. So I don't know why I was speaking so quick then, but I was just trying to put my thoughts into words, and I can go back and think how retarded it was. But I don't like ES at all. I'd only be trading NQ here. Again, being super fucking patient here. No need to jump in. I'm up 100 on the day. I've got one trade left before I can lose and then step away. I literally stopped trading in 15 minutes as well because of my slots. I'll be perfectly happy stepping away, but wait for the 15 minutes, see if any opportunity arises, and then, yeah. There we go, running through this 1 minute now. If we run through this, I'll enter 2 short contracts. Obviously we have to run through this one as well, by just from market experience I think we will, and I think I'll get a better fill up here. Check the 15-second. I like this fair value gap here. Bang, entering. Sell 2 contracts. There we are, look at that dump. Maybe I should have done a market sell instead of limit. This is going to be my short here. Targeting this low. Okay, again, if we break through this 1 minute, it's even more confluence that we're going to go lower. So I'm seeing as 1 reacts. It's not good, bouncing a bit. This one would be 1 inverse. The fact this is holding, but then the 3 minute is a bigger time frame. So yeah, I'm still happy to put my 2 longs up there, see if we can get retrace to that fair value gap. I'll actually put it on the inverse. Wait, actually no, I'm going to keep it in the 15. Actually no, inverse will have more liquidity. Obviously this one hasn't been tapped, so we have an SMT on a smaller time frame here. Here to here. But I think that could be a rebalancing price. But it's something to note.
Order filled.
There we go, I'm tucked in. Power fill all the way down there. Stop's gonna be this high. We're seeing $40 here. This is my, I only have one more loss before I have to step away. Again, light size because it's a no news Monday. Stops pretty fucking chill. 1 to 5.5 here. I'm taking it because I'm putting it above the 1 minute inverse. In fact, it could be a bit lower. Put it down there. $29 on this trade I'm risking. I sell off here. Again, if this 1 minute holds, then we want this 1 minute to get seriously disrespected, which is starting. It is starting to now. Yeah, 12 minutes till I stop trading. Again, I would be scaling in. If I was on, you know, it's a normal day, now I know the draw is lower, I'd be looking to scale in these fair value gaps, but because of no news Monday, I'm keeping to 2 contracts. I'm going to adjust my stop a little bit. I'm not going to put it to break even, but I'm going to put it pretty close. So I'm going to risk $9 on this now. purely just for risk's sake. We drop down this much, that I do really believe this is the draw. So if we come up, we'll either be stop raiding, which we are now, might get stopped here, or we're gonna go and reverse
Order
to the highs.
filled.
There you go, stopped out, really light size there. That's my 2 losses, and I'm gonna step away. So instead of risking 40, I only risk 9 there. See what's happening there. Yeah, 2 minute hold, 1 minute. Again, this should not be happening. If this 1 minute's bearish, we definitely shouldn't be doing this. So I protected myself nicely there. We reversed straight up. This potentially was a stop raid. But either way, I'm not bothered. That's 2 losses. I'm out. I'm done. And look, there we go.